Hello, this is just a quick tutorial on a cooling breath called Sheetali breathing. So you're going to stick your tongue out into a funnel and breathe in and feel the cool air come in. At the end of the inhalation, you close your mouth and you release through the nose. So let's try this together. Feel how cool it is? Now, some of you, about 25% of us, cannot roll the tongue into a funnel, in which case you're going to do the Sheetkari breathing, which is the hissing breath, where you open your mouth and have your teeth together and you breathe through your closed teeth. At the end, you close your mouth and you exhale through your nose. So let's try this one. See how this is also cooling. Whether you practice Sheetali or Sheetkari, it's very welcome when the weather is very hot, and it can be practiced for a few rounds anytime that you wish. Namaste.